Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram message not sending problem easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, now long tap on the Instagram app and tap on I button or app info. Tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down. Tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back second call logs allow, another camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications. Turn on notifications or allow, back and phone, photos and videos. Okay, always allow all. Done, complete. All permission complete. Okay, back. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. See it. Okay, done. Now let's start your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back. Go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar. Search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram update. Check update your Instagram. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. See. Okay, done. And last option, open your Instagram app and tap on message icon and select any people and tap on message, send message. See, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.